Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video I'm going to show you how to drive a Mercedes that's it's causing this traction control light to flash, and the vehicle, what it does, it applies the brakes, and you can't, no matter how hard you press that accelerator, the gas pedal, the car will not accelerate with more than like 10 miles per hour. And as you can see here, I'm pressing the gas really hard, and then this is all the speed that I can get. The car just basically applies the brakes and slows down, and this car is not drivable, and it could be dangerous if you're on the road, trying to drive like this. So I'm gonna explain to you though why that is happening, and then second I'm gonna show you how to at least drive the vehicle in emergency mode. You can see there that's just flashing, and then this is all the speed I can get. You can see here this noise from the back. First of all, why does that happen? The reason why that happens is that the car has ABS wheel speed sensors at each wheel, and it measures the speed of each wheel. And if one of those sensors is sending the wrong data, the vehicle might think that, let's say the front right is sending the wrong data. The vehicle will think, hey, that wheel is spinning too slow or too fast. Let me apply the brakes on the other, automatically apply brakes on the other wheels to slow down the vehicle, so that like the speed matches with that one that's spinning over there. So in reality, the wheel is not spinning too fast. It's just that the ABS wheel speed sensor is defective. And in order to find out which ABS wheel speed sensor is defective, you can use the YOUCANIC scanner. You can go to the ABS control unit under chassis, and then you can see, it will tell you which sensor is sending the incorrect data. You could say left front, right front, and so on. But let's say you want to at least drive this vehicle and drive it to the shop, or get it at least home, because if you're stuck hours away from home, this can be a very inconvenience, and technically you might want to call a tow truck. But there's another way that I'm going to show you in just a second here. And what we're going to do is we're basically going to disable the traction control system. And you got to be careful though, because when you disable the traction control system, if you're driving in rain or in snow, the vehicle is not intervene. If the car starts to slip, it's not going to intervene. ABS is not going to work. The car will still drive okay, but traction control and ABS are not going to work at all. So keep that in mind, but at least you'll be able to drive the vehicle normally. So first, what you want to do is take the key. If you got push start button, just pull that off. Take the key and turn it one click, and then what you want to do is you want to press on this model, you want to press the phone button first, and then right after that you press OK, and then you hold those two. So one click there, and then press phone and OK, and then hold those two. If you have a reset button right on the side here of the dashboard of the cluster, you can in some cases you turn the key to position 1. You can try pressing that 1, 2, 3 times really quick, and that should show the menu there, the secret menu. Or you can press and hold that. That will sometimes show the secret menu. In this vehicle, you press the phone first, and then right after that you press OK and you hold it. So I'm going to do that right now. So once you do carry out that procedure, you'll see this menu that you probably haven't seen before. But scroll down to dyno test right there, and then press OK. And then dyno test, we want to press OK to change. So what this does is basically, this test is meant to test the horsepower of the vehicle. So if you put the car on a dyno test, then you can spin those real wheels as fast as you want. But in this case, we're going to use this as an emergency home, so you can drive the vehicle and be able to go home. So now I can start the car, and then you'll see this warning where it says ABS and traction control unavailable, diagnostic mode. But at least you'll be able to drive the vehicle normally. And I would recommend to be extremely careful. Technically, this mode is just meant for dyno test only, but you can use this to at least drive the car home or to a shop, so you don't have to tow it, especially if you're stranded far away from home. So drive carefully, and thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.